In this video, you will learn the structure of your new project based on ClearTH Core. The project is a multi-user web application, so it includes not only Java classes, but also web application files. It requires a web application server to run. Let's examine its most important parts. Your new project is a Gradle project. Its dependencies are defined in the build Gradle file. As you can see, the project is bound to the local repository where ClearTH Core is published. In the next videos, we'll define more dependencies to add ClearTH Core modules to your project. The build Gradle file also defines the tasks necessary to build your project and to run it. We will use this from the IDE. All project sources are located in the SRC directory. It includes Java and web application files. The application is the main class. It manages all project parts. For example, it provides access to the list of users, allowing the developer to add new users and edit the list. There are many other entities available in the project by default. The methods to access them are derived from the ClearTH Core class. An instance of the application is created upon startup. The web application files are located here. This directory contains the web page sources for building the user interface. Web pages are linked with Java classes called beans. They are defined here. You can find the general web application settings here. The CFG directory contains the application configuration. General settings can be found in the clearth.cfg file, the users list can be found in the users.xml file, the test automation actions are listed in the actionsmapping.cfg file, and so on. Please pay attention to the ClearTH CFG file. This file must be present in the CFG directory. By default, it's empty, and you can fill it in implementing the necessary logic in code to load the configuration. In the next videos, we'll make changes in certain files to extend the project with custom features. Now let's start the application and examine its user interface. Execute the Run ClearTH task with Gradle to start the application. First of all, you need to log in. The administrator user is available by default. The application user interface consists of several parts. The automation screen is used to set up automation tests and examine the results. There are multiple options, and this makes up the largest part of ClearTH. The connectivity screen is used to set up connections to various gateways. Use the ClearTH logs screen whenever you need to download application logs or thread dumps. Here you can also change logging levels to have more detailed logs or to exclude unnecessary details from the logs. Built-in tools help you define automation tests as well as verify expressions. They also help you update test scripts and do much more. Here you can manage application users and check who is currently using the application. Now you know the general structure of your project and are ready to start automation.